In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable your Godaddy website in just about 5 minutes. This is a useful skill to have whether you're looking to make major updates to your site, need to take it down temporarily, or perhaps you're planning a complete overhaul. Whatever the reason, disabling your website without deleting it gives you the flexibility to work on it privately or take a break without losing your hard work. Starting off, the first step to take is signing into your Godaddy account. This is where all the magic begins. Go to the Godaddy homepage and look for the sign in button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to start the sign in process. You'll be directed to a new page where you'll enter your account credentials. Now, this is where you input your username and password. If you have them saved or written down somewhere, now's the time to pull them out. Make sure you type in the details correctly to avoid any sign-in errors. Remember, your username isn't necessarily your email address, it's whatever you chose when you first set up your Godaddy account. If you've forgotten any of these details, there's usually a forgot password or forgot username link nearby to help you recover them. Godaddy will guide you through steps to reset or retrieve your login details. After you've entered your username and password, look for the sign in button, which should be clearly visible. Click on it to access your Godaddy account dashboard. This is your command center where you can manage all your Godaddy services, including your domains, hosting, SSL certificates, and of course, website. Upon signing in, navigate to the website section of your dashboard. Here you'll see all the websites you have created or are managing through Godaddy. Find the website that you wish to disable and select it by clicking on it. This brings you into the control panel for that specific website, a hub where all changes and updates start. Next, look for the Edit Website button. This is typically represented with an icon that resembles a pencil or the direct word Edit. Clicking on this will take you into the website builder or editor mode. This is where Godaddy allows you to add, remove, or alter the content of your website. However, our goal today is to disable the site, so let's move on to the next step. Inside the editor, you need to navigate to the Settings tab. This tab houses various configurations and preferences for your website, including design, SEO, and more. But for today's purpose, we're interested in one specific option in the settings. Once in the Settings tab, look for the Unpublish button. This might require scrolling a bit depending on your screen size or device. The Unpublish option is what you'll click on to take your website offline. It's an important step because it ensures that while your site is disabled, visitors won't run into broken links or error messages. Instead, they just won't be able to access it. When you click Unpublish, Godaddy might prompt you with a confirmation message to make sure you really want to take your website offline. Confirm your decision. It's a safeguard step to prevent accidental unpublishing. And just like that, you've successfully disabled your website. It's now unpublished, which means it's not accessible to the public. You can still access all your site's content, pages, and design elements through the Godaddy editor while your site is unpublished. This allows you to make any necessary changes or updates without the pressure of doing so live. Remember, when you're ready to make your site public again, the process is just as simple, but in the reverse order. You go back into the website editor, navigate to the Settings tab, but this time you'll be looking for and clicking on a button that likely says Publish or something similar. This will make your website visible and accessible to everyone once more. Understanding how to disable and enable your Godaddy website gives you control over your online presence. Whether it's for maintenance, redesign, or simply taking a break, knowing these steps ensures you manage your site effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you're managing a Godaddy website, this knowledge is invaluable for maintaining and updating your site with confidence.